Hi guys, today we will see how you can install Python on your computer and also how you can install a code editor like VS Code because we will most likely use VS Code to write our Python programs. And then in order to use Python on your computer, you will need to install Python, right? So you don't need to do a lot of things. You can just go on Google, type Python install. You see Python install Windows, and then you come here, you say, and you will see the this Python documentation. Most likely in the future, you will need to use a lot of Python documentation. It might not be this one, but it might be other one. Okay, so right here we will come to we will come and then download Python for Windows. Let me tell you, I'm using a Windows computer, okay? If you're using a Mac or another computer, it's better if you can just Google or just go on YouTube and try to see how you can install Python on your Mac, on any other computer you might have, so you can continue, okay? Because I'm most likely using a Windows, and then you can just try to find how to install it if you're using a different computer. It is pretty easy. You'll find plenty of videos that will help you to install Python on your computer. Okay. Now we come right here, and then it will download Python. We click. Okay, it will download Python for us, and then we can open it. Okay. And then as I already have Python installed on my computer, I don't need to install Python again, right? But you can click right here, and then click install right now. You see? And then it will start installing. But I don't need to install Python on my computer. I will just leave it right here, okay? Now you see how you can install Python on your computer, right? But after installing Python, you will most likely need to verify if the Python has been installed, right? Let me see. So most likely you will need to do something like Python dash dash version to see which version of Python are you using. And this in my comment prompt, you see I'm using Python 13. So if you finish when you finish to install Python, come to the search bar and type comment prompt, right? Comment prompt, and it will appear. You don't need to write that much, and then you will come right here and type Python dash dash version, and then you'll be able to see which version of Python you're using. Okay, if it has been successfully installed. If you do not see that, you can rewatch the video or just go on Google or on YouTube, because you will most likely use YouTube and Google a lot as a new developer, just to be honest with you. And you will just find on YouTube how to install Python. If you're using Windows 10 or any other version of Windows, you will try to see how you can use install Python. Okay, and also now we will see how to install VS Code, right? VS Code is pretty simple. This is the you see, I can just write VS Code download. VS Code is the code editor that we will most likely use uh to write our codes, right? To write our code. So basically, in order for us to be able to write Python codes, you can use like PyCharm, but I will not use PyCharm for this course. We'll most likely use VS Code. This is the most used code editor, if I'm not mistaken. Uh, so a lot of developers are using it, so it is pretty simple and pretty easy to use. Okay, so you come right here and then you click Windows. You see, this is if you're using Windows, you need to click right here. If you're using a Mac, you need to click right here, and then it will install VS Code and all the VS Code dependencies. While if you come right here, you say okay, VS Code, and then it will start installing. It will start downloading. I'm sorry, and then after that what I will need to do is just pause the recording, and then when VS Code finish to be downloaded, I'll come back to continue. Okay, VS Code has been successfully downloaded, and now we will try to install VS Code. As I have already have it. So you see, so I already have VS Code installed on my system. The my system don't need to have two VS Code installed. So now, as soon as you finish to install when you finish to download VS Code, you will click on it, and then it will give you some steps you will need to follow so you can complete the process. In case you get stuck, in case you cannot complete it, just watch another YouTube video on how to install VS Code on Windows, on Mac, and then you will be good to go. Okay, so I expect that you have now VS Code installed, you have Python installed. The next in the next video we will start writing our Python codes. So do not forget to subscribe to this video in order to not miss the upcoming videos, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, so guys, happy coding, and then it will be a pleasure to be with you in all these like steps. So you will learn a lot of things with me, and I'll do my best to teach you the best way possible. Thank you.